Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal banana bread. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and mash 2 ripe bananas while measuring 1 cup oats and 1 cup flour. We'll whisk 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons oil, and 2 tablespoons honey until smooth, then fold in oats and banana gently. Pour into a loaf pan, bake until a skewer is clean, cool briefly, and slice to serve warm with butter or yogurt. Gather ingredients before you start to keep the process relaxed and steady. Measure 1 cup rolled oats, 1 cup flour, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons oil, and 2 tablespoons honey. Mash 2 ripe bananas until smooth and preheat to 350 degrees F so everything is ready. Combining wet and dry separately makes mixing quicker and avoids overworking the batter. Fold gently to keep the loaf tender, and treat the batter gently, and your bread will be soft and moist every time. After folding wet and dry ingredients, scrape the batter into a greased loaf pan and smooth the top. Bake at 350 degrees F and test with a skewer. A few moist crumbs are fine, but not wet batter. Let the loaf cool 10 minutes in the pan, then remove and cool further so slices hold together neatly for serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.